Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a transition to a video in Capcut. I will just tap on my Capcut application and select it any of video you want and how to transist. So I will be just tap on this video and I want to just tap on its split and then again took apart and just tap on its split and again just took apart and tap on its split. So what we're gonna do, I will just tap on this split option and from here you will be just selected the trending. There is a pro, overlay, light effects, camera, blur. So I want to be just tap on trending and I want to just add a transition, this like pull in, and the next transist I will be just add in a overlay like this white smoke and just tap on it, and the last transition I will be just add a light effect like this film arrays. I want to just tap on it and it will be just loaded. So simply just tap on it this OK button, and what we're gonna do, I want to just play this video and let's see. So in this way you will just have to add a transition to a video in Capcut. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.